Today we've been at the Institution of Mechanical Engineers hosting our STEM outreach event in honour of International Women in Engineering Day. We've invited nearly 100 students from 7 schools across London. The workshops especially have got the kids thinking about what it means to be an engineer, not just from the technical point of view, but also working as a team, budgeting, learning a lot of soft skills and what it means to think like an engineer.
Myself and 10 other classmates have made the trip to the Institution of Mechanical Engineers in Westminster to take part in the SheCanEngineer event. It's been an incredibly fun day and I've particularly enjoyed when we coded our own robots and made them walk around the room.
The day has been amazing. I'm sure they'll take it away and be inspired in the next section of their careers.